Hello everyone, now let's look at the numerical so we will get the clear idea. I have taken one example where you have to expand a to the power x sin y in powers of x and y. Since it's a two variable function, we have to express or expand given function in the power of two variables. जब one variable था तो हम सिर्फ we have to express the given function in one variable only. Here two variables है तो दोनों में हमें you have to express it. Now the given function is e to the power x sin y, so that we will be using it. So here first of all the Taylor's theorem for two variables which are x and y. The formula we will be rewriting as it is, the one which we wrote it previous slides. The same formula we will be using. So first formula we will be writing, that's the important step, and we will call it as equation 1 because various different value we will be finding and we will be substituting in this equation. So as you see, a b is their values. So first important thing is find the value of a and b. तो निकालेंगे कैसे उसकी वैल्यू, तो हमें ये देखना है कि क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा है. वी हैव टू एक्सप्रेस द गिवन फंक्शन इन पावर ऑफ व्हाट. तो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में दिया है वी हैव टू एक्सप्रेस दिस गिवन फंक्शन इन पावर ऑफ एक्स एंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ इन द पावर्स ऑफ एक्स एंड वाई. तो हम x माइनस ए को इक्वेट करेंगे x के साथ और y माइनस बी को इक्वेट करेंगे y के साथ. को हमें जो बोला है कि एक्सप्रेस इन पावर्स ऑफ व्हाट, दैट वी विल बी इक्वेटिंग विथ x माइनस ए and with y minus b to get the value of a and b. That's the first thing. So by equating what I got it here is a value will be 0 and y value will be 0. So now in the previous equation here, wherever I will see value of a, wherever I see a and b, I will be putting over there 0. So I can modify that equation, will get modified. Then the equation will get modified and it will look like something like this. So simply wherever a and b was there, I have put it like a 0 0. Now after this, since we have to express in the given function in the power of x and y, these terms x square, y square, and wherever it is, this x cube, y cube, those will be as it is. We will not do anything with to those terms. But wherever we see these values, f of x, x is in terms of 0, f of x in terms of 0, all these things, wherever we have to differentiate it and we have to put over there, after getting differentiate, we have to put value 0 so that we will get those corresponding values. So let's start differentiating those things by using the given function. So given function is e to the power x sin y. Now if I will differentiate it with respect to x, I will get f x. So when you are differentiating with respect to x, then what will there, y term will be constant. So here e to the power x, I will write it as it is. Now sin y will be 0, so that will whole term will become 0. Then sin y will be as it is and e to the power x का derivative हो जाएगा e to the power x. So now in this simple like a chain rule, we will be applying it all over here while finding all these derivatives, second order, third order, everywhere. Now in this whatever value we have received here, we have to put simply 0 0 wherever x and y are there. So if you will put 0 in this one, we will obviously going to get 0. So now next thing is f of we will be finding differentiation of given function with respect to y. So here this is our given function with respect to y, हमें निकालना है उसका derivative. First function will be as it is, sin y का differentiation, cos y will be there. In this I have kept 0 0 value in place of x and y. So simply if I will keep 0 value, cos 0 की value 1 होती है और यहाँ पे अगर हम मैं 0 लगती हूँ तो that will also become 1. So this value we got it as a 1. Now again we have to keep differentiating to get the second order derivative, third order derivative as well. here it is double differentiation I have done it with respect to x. So ये जो term हमने whatever we have received here, we have to differentiate with respect to x one more time. So same thing will come over here because e to the power x का e to the power x, sin y का differentiation हो जाएगा 0 plus sin y as it is, and in e to the power x का derivative तो e to the power x ही आ जाएगा. Simple chain rule it has been applied. Now again substitute x y value 0 0, we will get the value 0 because sin 0 की value हो जाती है 0 and this will be 1. So ultimately we will be getting 0. So similarly we have to keep going on finding the differentiation, and whatever we will be getting it, in that we have to substitute x and y values 0, and we will be able to find the further differentiation the similar way. Now for your understanding, all this differentiation I try to put it in the one slide. These are the same differentiation which we found in the previous 2 slides. Just to make it to get the clear idea about it or overall picture of it, I try to put it in one slide, so it will be easy for you to understand to get all the values in one side. After this it will be now whatever these values we found it, we will put it in the formula or in the equation which we found it by using Taylor's theorem. So and in this, after putting the values whichever we found, all these values this 0 1 whatever we found it, we have to keep it in this in the formula. So we will get the equation in terms of x and y. x and y की वैल्यू को हम पावर्स को जो भी है वैसे ही रखेंगे because that is what the question is. We have to find it in the we have to express the given function in the powers of x and y. So we will keeping it as it is. So this final answer or whichever we get it, वो हो जाएगा x and y के power के form में, and this is what the question was given. You have to simply express it in the power of this one, x and y. So this is how we used the second Taylor's theorem for 2 variables. So it is exactly similar to what we have done in with Taylor's theorem in 1 variable. थोड़े से derivatives differentiation यहाँ पे बढ़ते जाते हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पे 2 variables है, लेकिन application अगर the way we have to or the process which we have to follow is pretty similar to what we have done with 1 variable. So same concept we will be using here also. थोड़ा ध्यान से इसको while you are differentiating, while you are writing the formula, you have to little bit focus on it, so it will not go wrong. Other than that, everything is quite simple. Just need a little bit practice on it and it should take care of it. Thank you.